Hey guys, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates. Today we're doing a walkway restoration. It's a job that we did 10 years ago, and we're using a new product today called EasyJoint. So stay tuned and we'll see what we got. So here's the walkway we're doing today. Like I said, it's a 10-year-old walkway. It's a Hollandstone 4x8 herringbone pattern. You can kind of see here, there's a little bit of moss, a few weeds here that they killed off, but you're getting a little bit of erosion in the joints, and that's what they want us to deal with. So we're going to go ahead and evacuate these joints of the existing polymeric sand. It was an older polymeric sand, obviously, and we'll go ahead and trowel in that EasyJoint. Alright, so here we go. We have completely cleaned and evacuated the joints of the old polymeric sand. See, all the weeds are gone, all the mold and mildew are gone. We used 200-degree heat on it, 200-degree heated water. That'll kill off and basically sterilize the surface of the pavement. And you can see those joints are nice and clean coming up through here. So for the walkway, for being 10 years old, is not moved at all, really. Got some edge restraints popping a little bit there. Probably water underneath the nails that have migrated those up over the last 10 years, but that's not a huge deal. Walkway still easily shovelable. So from here, we'll go ahead and we got our EasyJoint all prepped and ready to go. So we'll go ahead and start squeegeeing that on, and we'll keep it activated with water. That'll flow into those joints, and then as soon as it dries up, it'll be rock solid. So here's the product we're using. It's called EasyJoint. It goes in wet. You sweep it in wet, and after it dries, it sets up like stone. A little more expensive than the highest quality polymeric sand. So we'll go ahead and see how well that sweeps in, fills the joints, and stay with us, and we'll see how it works. Well, here we go, finished renovation. So to recap, we ended up killing off all of the weeds that were in the joints. There wasn't a whole lot of those. There was some old polymeric sand in this 10-year-old project that we evacuated with the surface cleaner and our turbo nozzle. We're using 8 gallons a minute, 4,000 psi. However, we dialed that back to about 1,800 psi on this job. We don't want to damage the pavers. So we were able to disinfect the surface, extract all of the old joint sand, and then we used a new product called EasyJoint on this particular project, and that swept in really nice. Joints are a little tight, but we were able to do a little bit of touch up here and there, and worked out well. So they'll be good to go for another 5-10 years on that, no problem, with an annual washing. So it's always a good idea to keep up on these pavers just annually. Just do a soft wash on them. Call us, we can give you a quick quote for it. It's not that expensive. Keep those jobs that you paid so much money for bright and shiny.